In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop picture to oval shape avatar in Affinity Photo. We'll keep everything non-destructive so you can adjust the crop at any time, and the edges of your avatar stay clean and professional. Start by opening the photo you want to use. Once it's on the canvas, glance at the Layers panel to confirm the image sits on its own layer. If you've opened a composite or a document with multiple layers, make sure the specific photo layer you want to crop is clearly visible and selected. This helps you keep control over what gets masked later. Next, create the oval that will define your avatar. In the Tools panel, choose the ellipse, sometimes labeled as the Oval tool. If you don't see it right away, click and hold on any shape tool, like the rectangle, to reveal the ellipse underneath. Up in the Context toolbar, turn on From Center so your oval grows outward from where you start dragging. You can also enable Lock Aspect Ratio if you want a perfect circle. Leave it off for a taller or wider oval. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape, and position it over the exact part of the photo you want displayed. You can resize the oval by dragging its handles and nudge it for precision. Zooming in a bit can make placement even more accurate. Now mask the photo to that shape so it looks like a true oval crop. In the Layers panel, click your photo layer and drag it onto the oval shape layer. As you hover, watch for the photo layer to indent beneath the oval. When you see that slight indent, release the mouse. That nesting creates a clipping mask, so the photo is only visible inside the oval's boundaries. If the entire image disappears, double-check the indent and make sure the oval isn't off canvas. With the mask in place, you can refine the composition without committing to a hard crop. Select the photo layer inside the masked group and use the Move tool, shortcut V, to reposition the image within the oval. Drag to center a face or shift the framing until it feels balanced. If you need to change the crop shape itself, select the oval layer and scale or move it. The mask updates instantly, preserving crisp edges. And that's it. You've created a clean, editable oval avatar using a mask, so you can tweak the framing anytime without losing image quality.